Good morning, friend. Today we discuss about the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system. This system is in supporting role, in assistant role with the circulatory system. सर्क्युलेटरी सिस्टीमला मदत करते, असिस्टंट रोल म्हणून काम करते. As it helps in carrying or it draws the extracellular fluid called tissue fluid to the circulatory system, to the blood. The fluid present in between the intracellular spaces draws by this system and added into the blood, which is not carried by the blood capillary, which is not collected by blood capillaries, drawn by this system, lymphatic system. The lymphatic system consists of lymphatic vessels, lymph vessels, and the lymph node. Lymph, it is a colorless fluid connective tissue, liquid connective tissue. The tissue fluid, extracellular fluid, tissue fluid present in the intracellular spaces when enter inside the lymph capillary, enters in lymph capillaries, it is called lymph. त्याला lymph म्हणतात. It is the blood, as the tissue fluid is formed from the blood capillary मधून काही घटक, blood capillary मधून बरेचसे मटेरियल त्या ठिकाणी पास होतं, डिफ्यूज होतं to the cell tissue, and in the intracellular spaces the tissue fluid is formed. So it is the composition of blood minus red blood cell, blood platelets, some WBCs, neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, या WBC नसतात, blood platelet, and some proteins, some plasma proteins are absent in the lymph. So it is blood minus or without this constituent. Such lymph containing the waste material formed inside the cell, inside the tissue, the metabolic waste. After metabolism, the waste material formed, that metabolic waste, then carbon dioxide, nitrogenous waste, also it contains fat, antibodies, and the lymphocytes. Nitrogenous waste, metabolic waste, carbon dioxide, respiratory waste, fat, antibodies, and lymphocyte present in lymph, and it is colorless, do not contain pigment. The second constituent is lymph vessel, lymphatic vessel, lymph vessel. The lymph vessels are of two types: lymph capillaries, and second one, the lymphatic duct. The lymph capillaries are interwoven, present along with the blood capillary in the intercellular spaces. The thin vessels in the intercellular spaces, in the tissue spaces, along with interwoven with blood capillary, but not connected with the blood capillary. Blood capillary सोबत connected नसतात ते, not connected with the blood capillary. Such lymphatic capillaries are lined by single layer of endothelium. Lined by single layer of endothelium. Lined by the endothelium. And these blood capillaries are wider than lymph capillaries. These lymph capillaries are wider than blood capillaries. Wider than blood capillary. These are at one end they are closed. At one end these capillaries are closed. So here in the tissue fluid is present in the intercellular space. Tissue fluid and the blood capillaries. This one red color, blood capillary. Along with this blood capillary, there are lymph capillaries that are not connected with the blood capillary. At one end they are blood, closed, lymph capillaries. Okay, interwoven with the blood capillary in between fluid. These are wider and lined by single layer of endothelium. These capillaries then unite to form the lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessel, lymph vessel or lymphatic duct. Lymph capillaries unite to form lymphatic vessel or lymphatic duct that carry the fluid or lymph in upward direction. They carry fluid in upward direction. So two types of lymphatic duct. Capillaries, which one? Lymph capillaries unite to form lymphatic duct, lymphatic vessel, lymph vessels. The two types of vessels are formed. One, the right lymphatic vessel, and the left lymphatic vessel. Right hand, left lymphatic vessel. Left lymphatic vessel is also called thoracic duct. Left lymphatic vessel also called as left thoracic duct, and it is the main duct, main lymphatic vessel, because it draws the fluid, it carries the fluid from the left lower parts of the body, left chest, neck, left upper extremity, neck, head, and the parts below rib. रिबच्या खाली जेवढे पार्ट्स येतात त्या सगळ्यापासून हे लिम्फ कॅरी करून घेऊन जातात. सो इट इज अ मेन डक्ट. ओके, फ्रॉम दी नेक, हेड, लेफ्ट साइड, हेड, नेक, shoulder, left upper extremity, from the left chest and the all parts of body below the ribs. मग ते राईट लेफ्ट कुठीकडचं असो त्या सगळ्या पार्टकडून ही डक्ट कॅरी करतो. तर राईट लिम्फॅटिक वेसल कॅरी फ्रॉम दी ओनली राईट हेड, नेक and the right upper extremity and right chest. म्हणजे इथून एवढाच भाग, फक्त एवढाच भाग राईट लिम्फॅटिक डक्ट वाहून देते, बाकीचं सगळं लेफ्ट. सो टू डक्ट्स. These ducts are also lined by a thin wall, but at regular interval these ducts possess walls. At regular interval, these ducts possess walls to flow the lymph in upward direction, prevent backward flow of the lymph. इकडून lymph समोर बरोबर चाललाय ते परत नाही आलं पाहिजे करिता या walls आहेत. It possess walls at regular interval. A large number of walls are present as there is no pumping organ to supply this lymph. कोणतं पंपिंग ऑर्गन आहे जे lymph सप्लाय करेल. दुसरं, अगेन्स्ट ग्रॅव्हिटी, अगेन्स्ट ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स the lymph may return back. So to prevent the backward flow, it is prevented by walls. Here two types of lymph duct or lymph vessel. One is thoracic duct, or left lymphatic vessel that collect blood from all these part below the rib. रिबच्या खाली सर्व इकडून लिम्फ ते कलेक्ट करत फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट चेस्ट, फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट अपर एक्सट्रीमिटी, लेफ्ट neck and the head region. From all that, the lymph is collected by the lymph capillaries and this lymph vessel then opens here into the subclavian and internal jugular. This one, left subclavian vein and this internal jugular vein. Left internal jugular vein. The right lymphatic duct lymph vessel collect lymph from the left chest, from the right chest, right upper extremity, right side of the neck and the right head. From here the lymph is collected and poured into right subclavian vein. This one is right subclavian vein and the right internal jugular. The junction where this right lymph vessel opens. This is about lymph vessel, lymph duct. Now lymph node. Lymph node, the third portion, the third part of the lymphatic system, lymph node. These lymph nodes are scattered all over the body, scattered along with the lymphatic system, along with lymphatic system. In the due course of lymphatic system, these nodes are scattered. Is one. These nodes are particularly, specially more at the neck region. In the neck, for example, tonsil. In the neck, for example, cervical lymph node. This one, cervical lymph node in neck region. At the armpit, the axillary lymph node, axillary lymph node in the armpit. Here, this one, these are the axillary lymph node. And at the groin region, these are inguinal lymph node. At the groin region, these are inguinal. Then another lymph node is present, spleen. It is a type of lymph node. Thymus gland, here. This is thymus gland, a type of lymph node. Bone marrow cells also acting as lymphoid tissue. This is bone marrow. Inside the bone marrow, the cells present that divide and redivide to form blood cells. Blood cells से तैयार है. So these lymph nodes scattered along with different parts of the body, in the neck region, armpit, also in the chest, the groin region, behind the knee, popliteal lymph node, behind knee. These are the area where large number of lymphocytes are formed. These are mainly concerned with production of the lymphocytes. Production of lymphocytes. And that lymphocytes are then responsible for production of antibodies. So those lymphocytes which are present in the blood are formed from this lymph node and then pour into the subclavian vein and put in the blood right atrium. Right atrium मध्ये ते pour करतात. Lymph node. So these lymph node mainly acting as a filter that filter the cell debris, filter the dead cells, microorganism and various types of foreign bodies. Cancerous cell हे सुद्धा फिल्टर करायचं ते काम करतात. Lymph node. Functions of lymphatic system. Functions of lymphatic system. It draws the excess of fluid, draws the excess of tissue fluid into blood. Tissue fluid into blood. जो ब्लड कैपिलरी मधून फिल्टर होऊन एक्सचेंज होत आहे सेल टिश्यूला, ते सगळं वन वे डायरेक्शन, वन वे फ्लो करून फ्रॉम ऑर्गन टू हार्ट एकाच डायरेक्शन मध्ये फ्लो करून त्या हार्ट मध्ये टाकतात. Excess of the tissue fluid into blood. Second, it produces lymphocyte and antibodies, macrophages, lymphocyte, antibodies, and pour into the blood. So helps in defense system. Macrophages that helps to destroy the foreign bodies. Destroy the cell debris, cancerous cell, microorganisms, microbes. Third, the lacteal type of lymphatic vessel arise from intestine. Lymphatic vessel arise from intestine helps in absorption of the fat. Lacteal, it is a type of lymphatic duct, lymph vessel that absorb the fat from intestine and pour into the blood. Then the lymphatic system helps in maintaining water and salt volume by removal of the waste material, removal of the metabolic waste, carbon dioxide, nitrogenous waste, some mineral ions, हे सगळे तिथून काढून देणे, ब्लड मध्ये टाकणे, जेणेकरून ज्या ऑर्गनकडे पाठवायचं आहे त्या ऑर्गनला पाठवून मग ते फिल्टर करून शरीराच्या बाहेर फेकले जातील. स्प्लीन, we know it destroy the red blood cell, destroy the dead RBC. So recycling back the content of RBC, supplying to bone marrow for production of new RBC. It is commonly called graveyard of RBC. Bone marrow producing B lymphocyte, thymus gland producing T lymphocytes, T helper, T killer, memory T cell, suppressor T cell, concerned with cellular immunity. So most important function of the lymphatic system is that in the body. In the previous video, we discussed about the electrocardiogram. Electrocardiogram. It is the graph obtained from the electrical variation during the contraction relaxation of heart. During cardiac cycle. During contraction and relaxation of heart, cardiac cycle. The graph obtained is called electrocardiogram. Electrocardiogram, it is a machine. It is a machine, ECG machine, used to obtain the graph. The device, the machine used to obtain graph. To obtain electrical variation record is the electrocardiograph. Second, the PQ interval, P आणि Q मधला interval 0.16. While in textbook it is given PR interval. PR interval. That means P to R here. R interval. So this PR interval given, it is misnomer. The term wrongly used. But since it is used from ancient time, it is taken into consideration. Actually it is PQ interval, but the misnomer term is used, PR interval, and it is also same. Both are same.